Hello guys, we are on question 5.1. They say point T is given the diagram below. A is a point on the x-axis such that reflects angle AOT equals to alpha there, okay? Then we are given the diagram there. Then they say determine without using a calculator the value of each of the following, okay? The first one, they need the tan of alpha there, okay? For us to answer this one, we will need to construct our own right angle triangle there, okay? We are given the Cartesian plane like that, okay? Then we are given the arm here. Here we are having the T, okay? Then the angle here, it is called the alpha there, okay? We are given it as alpha there, okay? Then here we need to construct the height, okay? The height against the x-axis, okay? Then here we need to construct our height there, okay? Since the coordinates of t we are given them as -1 and -2 like that, okay? Then this should be the value for the x, this should be the value for the y, okay? Then when we construct our right angle triangle there, we are going to have something of this magnitude, okay? This is our right angle triangle like that, okay? Then this is our T, this is our O, okay? Then the distance from here to there should be 1, okay? But in our case, we're going to put -1, okay? Because the -1 is going to take care of the quadrant, okay? Particularly the quadrant ray. Then the y should be -2, okay? Then obviously we are looking the OT, okay? And we can get the OT using the theorem of Pythagoras, okay? Using the theorem of Pythagoras, we're going to have the r squared being equals to x squared plus y squared, okay? The r squared is OT squared there. The x is -1. The y is -2 squared there, okay? Then we're going to have OT squared. Here we're going to have our 1. Here we're going to have our 4, okay? Then here we want to remove the 2, the square root both sides, okay? Then O2 is going to end up being 5, square root of 5, okay? Then here we are having the square root of 5. Sorry for that. Then we are going to have the square root of 5 like that, okay? Then the first question, that is 5.1.1, that is they are looking for the tan of alpha there, okay? Remember, with our constructed right angle there, okay? It's like we have already dealt with the reduction, okay? Then we just assume the alpha to be here, okay? We just assume the alpha to be here, okay? Since we know that tan by definition it is opposite over adjacent, okay? This is the alpha. Opposite of alpha is -2. The adjacent of alpha is -1. Then here we're going to have -2 over -1, okay? Then when we simplify here, negative and negative, they're going to give us +2 divided by 1 gives us 2, okay? Then a tan is positive in the third quadrant. Yes, it should give us a positive because the arm is in the third quadrant, okay? Then we are having 5.1.2. We are having 5.1.2. They say they are looking for the cos alpha there, okay? The cos by definition it is adjacent over hypotenuse, okay? Here we are having our right angle triangle, okay? The adjacent of of alpha is -1. The hypotenuse is square root of 5 there, okay? Then here we are going to have -1 over the square root of 5, okay? Cosine in the third quadrant is negative. That's why we are getting the negative here like that, okay? Then we got the third one, 5.1.3. They say we must find the cos of alpha plus 45 degrees in simplest form, okay? In simplest form, okay? That is 5.1.3, okay? That is cos alpha plus 45. Okay? This is a compound angle, okay? We are going to try to expand it, okay? Remember, if it is a compound for a cosine, then we must have cos, sin, okay? If here is positive, then in the middle it should be negative, okay? It should be negative. Then here we're going to have the cos of alpha multiplying the cos 45, okay? Subtracting the sine of alpha multiplying the sine 45, okay? Like that, okay? With the cos of alpha, we already dealt with it. Here's the cos of alpha. We're having it as -1 over the square root of 5, okay? With the cos 45 degrees, 45 is a special angle, okay? We need to remind ourselves about that special angle, okay? We need to remind ourselves about that special angle, okay? Remember the special angle for 45, we are having it like this, the 45 here, okay? Then we're going to have 1 and the square root of 2 that side, okay? We are looking for the cos of 45, okay? We choose one of the two. Then let's choose this one. Cosine by definition is adjacent there. Then the adjacent of this 45 is this side, which is 1. Then the hypotenuse is square root of 2. Then here we're going to have 1 over square root of 2, okay? Then we're having it like that. Then here the sine of alpha there, then we go to our constructed right angle triangle, okay? Here is the alpha, then sine by definition it is opposite over hypotenuse, okay? The opposite must travel the distance, then it's going to be -2 over the square root of 5, okay? Then we are having the sine 45 degrees there, whereby the 45 is a special angle, okay? Then we choose this one, this 45, okay? Sine by definition is opposite over hypotenuse, okay? Then we're going to have 1 over the square root of 2. Then here we're going to have 1 over the square root of 2, okay? We are having it like that. Then we're going to try to simplify, okay? Like in this case, numerator is going to multiply the numerator, denominator of the denominator, okay? -1 multiplied by 1, we get what? -1, okay? Then here we're going to have square root of 5 multiplying the square root of 2, okay? Then let's just write it like this, okay? Even here, we're going to have, in this case, let's just say negative multiplied by negative gives us positive, okay? Then 2 multiplied by 1, it gives us 2. Then here we have it like this, okay? We have it like this. Then we are having the same denominators there. Then the LCM thing here is not gonna stress us, okay? Then we're just gonna have the -1 plus 2, all of them over the square root of 5 multiplying the square root of 2 like this, okay? Then here -2 plus 1 is going to give us 1, okay? Here you need to know about the LCM, okay? In this case, we're just having the same LCM, you don't have to stress. That's why I just took this values right away like this. Okay, then here's my LCM. Okay, this one into this, it goes once. Okay, one multiplied by this, it gives me that. This one to this, it goes once. Then one multiplied by 2, it gives me 2. Okay, then here I'm going to have 1. Okay, with this one, okay, we are having the rule which enables us to just write 1 square root, then have 5 multiplying the 2 inside here. Okay, then we are going to have 1 over the square root of 10 like this. Okay, then I think we are done. Okay, we are done. We have answered the 5.1. Okay, and they said without using a calculator, and we strictly didn't use the calculator. Okay, if you are having any question, you can ask. Okay, we are done like that. Bye.